Okay, so stop loss is a 3 pip stop loss. This is the potential entry I'm looking to take, you guys. Hey, what's good? What's good, my boy? Truck driving gamer. What's good? What's good? This is a potential entry I'm looking to take. So this is the candle that had some tea. 7 a.m. 7 a.m. Bro. Right when we close below this low, we're looking to take the SMT trade. Alright. Okay, I'm not looking to get a trade anymore. Market tapped the body of this candle. Unfortunately, I can't not take it. Damn. So scratch this. Whoa, what's good? What are we seeing in this trade today? I'm looking for a short today in Eurousd, my boy, truck driving gamer. But I was just about to enter a short entry, but it just got invalidated because of the wrong Monroe one. So I'm looking for a push higher, then push lower. That would make sense more. Because I just had an entry right over here, but the entry got invalidated because of how the candle closed. The candle closed right on the body. I don't know how. This wick is so small. But yeah, I could not enter the trade. So I'm gonna let this run. I want to see if we can get another opportunity. If I want to see if we go, I want to see if we go up higher, then go lower, because gave us a wrong Monroe one. So let's see if that could potentially happen here. Let's see. So let's see if we get a push higher, then go lower. That would make sense. But right here, I'm not looking to get trade. I'm just waiting. I want to save and go push up high here. Come on. How many hours are you planning to stay watching the chart? Possibly for 2 hours or yeah, 2 hours. Yeah, I'm gonna be in the chart for 2 hours. If I don't see a setup, I'm gonna call it a day. All right, yes, sir. Salam, bro. What's good? What's going, boys? Walaikum assalam, my boy. Tahir Mustafa, how are you doing, my boy? Let's see if we can get a push higher here. All right, good. Now we're looking for another model one here, or if we can go all the way here, we could just take this sweep to the downside. Beautiful, beautiful. So we see first, this is our failure swing. This one had a soup. This one has SMT. So we're looking to get trade. This is everywhere in the chart. Could you please give an analysis for today? I'm looking for shorts. 1 second before I give you the analysis, I want to go and I could be potentially in a trade here, so I don't want to miss a setup here. But we overall shorting here. I'm looking to short this shit down. But yeah. This is a little better of a SMT here. A little better. I see another model one get the wick here. That would be fantastic. We get a total sub entry here. Let's see if we can get a total sub entry. All right, as well, we have an hourly CRT here as well. As you can see, chat. We have an hourly CRT as well, but we as well have SMT with the higher TFM as well with this other bigger CRT. We have SMT CRT here as well, as well as another CRT right over here as well. So we could either take a trade based on the SMT or we could take a trade based on this. But if we want to take a trade based on this 6 a.m. CRT, we need to get some sort of either a right model one or a lower TFM CRT with a higher TFM CRT with a SMT with a correlated pair. Otherwise, I am looking to take this one primarily. And on both of them, we have a legit high, legit high, legit high, legit high. So, good thing. And we get SMT divergence with our color pair. Whoa, so you made an equal high here. Whoa, whoa, wow. Wow, I thought you purged out the liquidity, but you made an equal high. But regardless, we're still good to check a trade. How come we're still good to take a trade? Because simply because of the this SMT that we have with this pair. So this one looks like it's not gonna be it. Or unless he just goes, it does goes up and gives SMT, but since he hasn't made a legit high, I need this scan to push it out. After he pushes it out, then I'm looking for a SMT. Let's see if we can get that model 1 here. Alright, no entry we can take is this other turtle soup. Because those two, we don't have enough RR to the side. This is too out of a stop loss. Alright, I'm looking to take this straight to the downside. And this collides with the higher time frame as well. Alright, so stop loss right above here, couple of ticks right above it. 2.9 with 2.9 with a 5 RR. But before we did that, we need to get the right number 1. Okay. Alright, let's see if we can get our entry here. Okay, we got SMT diversion with this pair as well. We got SMT with the 5 a.m. This is the 5 a.m. 5 a.m. right over here. We got SMT divergence. Boom. Beautiful. Let's see if we can get the right number 1 here. Then eventually we're looking to take a total soup short. 3 point up your stop loss. 3 point up your stop loss. All right. We got the right number one. I'm looking for this entry. Then I'm looking to short it down. So once the market taps this entry right over here, I am looking to bust that down. So right when I hit this entry right over here, I'm looking to buzz it down. Buzz it down. Okay, 3.9, 3.9, risking that much. All right. All right, once it taps this, is we're gonna enter the trade. But it's all right, take the risk. You don't have to take the signal, but I am gonna take my shit. My shit. Shippity shippity j j j j j. All right, once it taps it, we're in. All right, let's see. Okay, this is right here the imbalance of 5 minute time frame as well as a total soup. We're looking to take a short on a total soup right here. All right. All right, how many stop loss we spaced? 1, 2, 4. Where's the stop loss at? 21 at 22 is our stop loss. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Our stop entries are at 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we got the right entry as well, which is beautiful. Stop loss, right? Entry is gonna be at the 34.79. Entry is supposed to be at right over here at 34.83. But only had one good entry at 34.84. Everything else was at 34.80 and 34.79. Entries right over here. Stop loss at 35.22, 35.22. All right, how much is the how much are we risking here? We have only check because we're risking 0.25% per trade because we have a tight stop loss. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, everything is good. This goes on a good. If it goes on a loss, beautiful loss. If it goes on a win, beautiful win. It is what it is. So our latest entry is at 34.79, 34.79. Take profits is at 32.64. 32. So 3 3. Wait, 1 3. No, it's 32. Not. So 1.13, 1.13, 264, 264. 1.13, 264, 1.13. So 1.13, 1.13, 264, 264. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Because usually what I'm trying to do that is because market fucks with your position, bro. Last time it didn't set up a stop loss when I set up a stop loss. I don't know why. This is gonna be a quick one, hopefully. Let's see. I would take a buy. I went bullish. Bet that, bro. You should have bought some around these lows, bro. Just don't buy too high, brother. Beretta. Alright, so everything is set, right? So stop loss is set. Our latest entry is gonna be at 34.79. 34.79, okay. Everything is set. Any new background? I just changed the angles, bro. We do got equal high, which is the bad sign, but this is our main CRT here, so we're good. CGU, you see DXY. I want to see DXY, bro. This goes on loss. Beautiful lot, chat. So let's see if we can get this pushed to the downside, or we can get the stop loss. But let me tell you guys why I'm looking to get a short here. Let's get straight into it. Whoa. We have we're in the last week of the month, because this week was the week that made the high of the month. So we want to go lower to close on a fair price. And as well as we have a weekly shift to the downside, a weekly key level to the CRT. We tell, as you guys know, rejection block will cause before taking out the wick. Usually the rejection block will cause a retracement before taking out the wick, because you need to give me a new order. And the last of the month, we as well have a weekly IRL to ARL. As I said, the rejection block will cause a retracement. On the 4-hour time frame, what the fuck? On the daily time frame with daily CRT to the downside, we have a classic expression profit to the downside, Monday high of the week. We as well have we're in a premium of daily range. We as well have a daily ERL to IRL, or daily premium ERL discount IRL. Why do I say this? Right, why do I say this than anything else? Why do I not care about the fair value gap? The fair value gap, keep in mind, is inside of CRT. I showed you guys in Discord example already 3 times actually, as well as, you know, that's what we got. That's literally enough for this trade. Pretty good one. Now if you go to lower time frame, we have a expansion daily range premium discount. We're in the premium of the daily range. We want to go down to the discount daily range as well. We have we're in the retail premium, so we want to go down to the discount. As well as we have a range high, range low, range high, daily city high, weekly city high, range low, daily range low, and as well as we have a daily to the downside, we have a near continuation from bearish. I want the Asian to make the high, not the low day. In this case, Asian did make the high of the day, as well as we have a. That's it. That's all we got. We got a bullish order flow. A bearish order flow starts from right down here. Anything else? We don't got nothing else. That's good enough for us. We got a SMT in the lower time frame. We got a key level SMT CRT to the downside with this key level with GU, and yeah, that's what we're looking to take a short. It's going to be a quick stop loss. It looks like to be a quick, very quick stop loss here. Let's see if that can happen. Because I don't want to be bullshitting around here and like doing like what happened yesterday. I want to get in, get out, stop loss, stop loss. So let's see if we can get a push lower. See if this candle can close below this body, that would be a very good sign. All right, close below it. We also have a expansion retracement, expansion candles. So let's see if we're gonna get stopped out or take profit. Take profit at 5 RR. Stop loss is a negative 1 RR. Once we go below this 4-hour low, it's gonna be wraps. We're gonna skyrocket. I mean, we're gonna sink like a sea. This SWAT wants to push up higher anyways here, so let's see if this SWAT could push up. If this SWAT goes above this opening price, because this SWAT has not had an opening price yet, right? This SWAT has not had an opening price. It's pushed down lower, so it needs to go up higher. It didn't go, I mean, didn't make the high yet. But it looks like you're gonna be getting a loss here. It looks like gonna be a pretty good quick loss. Let me go get the calendar so they don't make us lose more than we need to lose. But yeah, let's see. We just had another SMT with GU. Let's see if the SMT will hold or not. All right, so GU went up higher. This is still holding SMT. Okay, it looks like gonna be a stop loss here. A very good quick stop loss. Let's see. Bro, what's your ratio? 1 to 5 RRs, bro. Alright, so let's see if this could hold here. Oh, it's not gonna hold. Alright, looks like stop loss is right on my stop loss here. He hasn't hit it yet. Still got like $100 to go to. Let's see, still playing around with us. Still playing around with us here. Alright, so it looks like gonna be a stop loss. Babble later. Come back later. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna get stop loss here. Yup, GD5. If it goes lower than this, it's gonna be a loss. Come back later. Alright, looks like we're in our last buck. Last buck right over here. Boom, his stop loss right about. Damn, he still has not his stop loss yet. Right, okay, hit our stop loss here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, let's see. This one was wait, what? That was from yesterday, right? Yep, this is for today. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, I think it's good. Damn, market taking way more than he needs to, bro. What the fuck? What the fuck? Quick one indeed. Hell yeah, bro. But I'm done for the day. As I said, today's gonna be a hectic day for many because of the daily fair value gap. Because this is gonna make people long it up and short it down all at once. So it's gonna fuck around with a lot of people. So that's why I'm taking one trade a day. But yeah. But yeah. Yo, bro, what's good? What's good, my boy? What's good? What's good? What's Gucci? All right, let's see if the market wants to go higher to the zone located, go lower. Let's see. We had the right number one here as well. Yes, we did. It's a good loss in my end, chat. I see you guys later though, because I'm done. I'm gonna come back later, see where the market's at. But as of right now, I'm done. I got no reason to be in the market anymore. I took my trip for the day. I'll come back later, see where the market's at. Beautiful loss, no psychological problem. But on this trade, I took like 0.25% risks, and that shit, oh my goodness, spreads are crazy on that as well. But now I'm gonna take only like two setups, not two setups, two 0.50% setups to add up to 1% because you know it can lessen the fucking what is this just called the what is it called in English? So you can lessen the loss size and be better, right? But I'm not gonna do 4 trades and I want to probably gonna do 2. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Beautiful loss. Did you took the trade? Yes, sir, bro. It's a negative 1.2 RR loss. Somewhere around there. Negative 1.2 RR loss. Negative 1.3 RR loss. A beautiful trade. I love it. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.